All right, guys, this is a dark and darker demo. It's from the stream. I clipped some of the garbage out at the beginning so it'd be a little bit easier to get to the action, and then it's just from the stream. It's the demo just dropped, man. I woke up like right at 6 randomly, and it's like I can download it now. So this is what is it freaking what the name? Dark After Dark? Dark and Darker? Guys, check it out. You're gonna like it. Guys, this is Dark and Darker. Welcome to Dark and Darker, Alpha Playtest number 4. We have worked hard to add the following new features: the Gathering Hall Party Finder, the Goblin Caves Solo Only, doing that for sure, in-game voice chat, Karma System, improved trading post, more maps, monsters, and items, and other QOL improvements. Please visit our Steam page or Discord for the detailed changes. Thanks again for the support, guys. I freaking wanted to play this game when it dropped. This is a demo. Pick the right job. The wizard, the rogue, okay? Learn the moves. Primary attack, left is click, primary attack, right is secondary attack, WSD, jump. Shift is walk, okay? Control C is crouch. Control or C, okay, hold it. Quick slots 1, 2, 3, 4. Inventory tab. Okay, guys, it looks pretty smart. Okay, so maybe Goblin Caves. Please wait, looking for a game. Ah! See, there was a nut. Whoa. What's he doing? Now. Okay, it's a little choppy. Good. It's the first one. It should die quicker. Okay, do I get a full on that fool or what? We should F loot this guy, right? Searching. Okay, treasure box. Grab it all up, folks. This is the time of day where I can relate with coffee, says Adam Birdman. Okay, so I'm not in a group. And I'm on my cleric, which is not going to do the most damage ever. Let's open a door. F. I should have looked through first. Okay, F. I should look through the little hole first, right, guys? Boy, I'll tell you. They said it was dark. You guys want to go upstairs, folks? Get the high ground. Looking. Can we break stuff like Skyrim? Hey! Okay, guys. Wow, there's multiple Whoa. Who did that? Oh my God. Dude, I got a bad feeling I'm about to die. Now, Charlie, oh my God, I died. Stop spectating and return to lobby. Return to the Hobby Lobby. Guys! Alright, guys. Now. Loading. Use your torch to light up dark areas. It's loading, guys. But I think, why is it loading now? I'm about to play my first map. I'm excited, says Adam Degrade. Cool. I think mine's crashing or something. I just went in. Facebook is hammering all kinds of game music stuff at the moment, says Hallberg. I have not had that problem. I'm not going to lie. Okay. Am I not a healer, though, guys? He made poopy. Am I supposed to be healing, guys? I'm a cleric. Oh, God. I have no idea if I'm supposed to be doing anything, guys. Like healing these guys or anything. Am I doing this right? It loads the pre-pub first so you can get enough players, then it loads the map. Oh my God, didn't see that dude. I have no idea. Okay, one. There's my shield and my thing. That looks like a staff. So then once I do that, a spell from your memory to cast. How do I do a spell from my memory? Options. Inputs. Jump, crouch, move, walk, actions, primary attack, secondary attack, special command, R, Q and E. Q and E, Q and E maybe? Yeah, Q and E. They went up here, right? Okay. How do I select them? What? Is that bad? Ooh. Okay. I'm not sure how... Okay, everyone has full health. I'm not sure how to select somebody. Did you ever finish Elden Ring? Yeah, 12 times, I think. Actually, I'm 11 times and almost the 12th one, and then I started a 13th one before I finished that 12th one. Okay, our buddies over there. Does anyone know how to target one of these guys? Okay. Okay. Right click, folks. This is bad. This is bad, guys. We got to get back up to my homeboy. I tried to jump across. One of our fools was already across there. How'd they get across? Oh, maybe I gotta run? How do you run? Okay. Made it. Made it! Okay, anyone need a heal? Oh, I need a heal. I need one of these. I need one of these. Okay, I got some heal. Um... Did I put the shield on him, guys? What's he shooting through the wall? Where'd the other guy go? Where'd Funky Lumps go? Okay, this could be it, folks. Okay, so they're saying they killed me. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, so we got wiped out. I'm a bad healer. Just in case you fall. Heal up first, right. Is that a new player? Who is this guy? Okay, I'm not sure how to target somebody. At one point, I feel like they were, when I moused over them, they were yellow, highlighted in yellow. Like I felt like I could squirt a heal on them. You know what I mean? I understand now though that that I can put this in that streamer mode. Because I might need it. Now I probably can character select. I can go to my barb. I can enter the lobby. I can choose my goblin caves because that's supposed to be solo. And we got our server picked. All right, guys. Okay. It was jacked up, guys. Did you see that? That was like the pregame lobby. We're like, where you're running around beating each other up. Like, I have to do a full exfil, folks, so we got to try and get out once. This game is very interesting, guys. I think we've been here before. F. Ooh. I just put some anger on, guys. Oh gosh. So you're saying it's pretty easy to die, right? And it says free, but I think what it means by free is some of these things you have to like earn points. It's a pregame lobby, buddy. This looks like an interesting game. I like it because it's something different. I would like to... Well, I have killed it with my cleric. I killed a skeleton. Okay. Oh my god. Oh. I want to get some loot, guys. No way. We get the ceremonial dagger. Now, last time I turned this corner here, folks, it didn't turn out well for me. Hit the little guy, folks. Maybe the zombie. I don't freaking know, man. Any, Ooh, I can spectate. Okay. Yeah, the little spiders appear to be a little bit... We can learn. We can learn from spectating, folks. Can we turn our own... Okay, okay. This guy killed... Looks like he killed some spiders. So he's now able to loot this box. Cleric number 110 is his name. This game is called Dark and Darker, folks. Dark and Darker. With my cleric, my cleric had a, oh man. My cleric had a shield, guys. Right? But this guy didn't have a shield. Would you ever consider a playthrough of Dark Souls series? Asked Jason Price. I don't know, man. Oh, Aiden's on number 2 on your second Elden Ring playthrough. Dude, I love that game so much, man. I have 800 hours in that game. And I freaking love Elden Ring. And I got away from it because I'm like, I did enough. I did 11 playthroughs, and I got to the last boss with my bubble build, which would be my 12th playthrough. And I got bored, man, and started doing other stuff, right? Okay. Did that guy just cast his... This game, you gotta admit, I mean, it's, you know, is it... I like the idea. I like the idea of it. I feel like I'm dying too much. So, Elden Ring, I got away from it. Did some other stuff, and just playing a little bit of Warzone and MW2 because I like to play that stuff. I really do. Whoa, this guy. Yeah, he's running for his life, folks. But then I came back to Elden Ring the other day, man. I started NG Plus with my big bonk hammer build, and I made a wretch from the beginning, level 1 or whatever, level 10, wherever you start. And I'm just playing Elden Ring again, and I'm freaking having fun. I had a blast. I played last night. Ooh, there's a thing that flies, guys. They have things that fly too. I wonder if they're like the birds in freaking Elden Ring. Those things are so annoying. This one here looks like he's able to hit it. Heal up first just in case you fall, said Andrew. Yeah, well, I gotta tell you, I wasn't real impressed with the heal either. It was a lesser heal. Wow, he healed completely up. I wonder what spell that is. I don't know, but I want to get one, guys. He's a cleric. I wonder if when I'm in streamer mode I can type and I just can't read it, but they can. Oh my god. Oh my god, look at this. Yeah, this could be... Okay, now, I guess bailing out is an option. He appears to be running away because there's way too many. Okay, get him to the choke point. It's a move, but... I don't know, man. He whacked him on the head. Oh my god. I want to go back to my cleric. I think that barbarian is the wrong move, folks. And I feel like the mouse button is backwards. I also feel like chat is frozen. Might not be. Might not be. Someone say hello. Give me, yeah. If you're out there, say hello. It is weird sometimes when no one says anything for 12 minutes, but yeah, 10 minutes, man. I just refreshed Dakota Comstock. There he is. Dakota, how you doing, my friend? Good morning, man. Yeah, man, I don't usually stream at this hour. There you go. Thank you, Adam. Thank you, guys. I'm not just hustling comments, guys. I really was like, huh. So what I'm gonna do, I'm spectating a cleric right now. He's going through the dungeon. I think the same one I was just in, the goblin one, the solo. Good morning, Matt. How you doing, man? I remember when I first started streaming, guys. And before I put chess on a schedule, I was just kind of streaming whenever I wanted to, and I was trying all kinds of different times, and it was so crazy that I would when I'd stream at a different time, I'd get a whole of course, but I didn't know you get a whole different crew of people, man. You know, and I love kind of streaming early in the morning like this sometimes because you know people. A lot of times people appreciate it. They come in and say, hey man, I'm on my way to work, dude, this is awesome. I get to see a little bit of stream before I go to work. Not used to having you stream while I am working. There you go, Aaron. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. And there's other people that would be catching me at work that okay, is that like a it is a little clunky, guys. You know what I'm saying? But that's, you know, they're working on it. Plus, I like the graphics. The dungeon seems kind of fun. Okay, he found a little blue pooper. Okay, did he just open up a portal? Is that his exfil, guys? The dark grows darker. Yeah, that guy freaking just exfilled, man. That was the exfil. Okay. Character select. Whoa. Come on. Return. I'm entering the Hobby Lobby. Goblin Caves. Start. Yeah, I checked my loadout. Is this a newer game? Yeah, it's so new it's not even released yet. So new it's not even released yet. Stop hitting me, you foolio. You corn foolio. Stop that tomfoolery. I'm over here trying to be nice and that guy's trying to whack on me with stuff. This is this loadout. That's my whack stuff loadout. I think this is my cast a spell loadout. This is my fire loadout. Okay. They're like reversed. Options. Let's go for inputs. Primary attack is left. I'm going to set that to right. No. I had 2 minutes, it said. I'm trying to do my keybinds. So yeah, so this game, this is like a pre-release test kind of thing. It's not like a beta test, I don't think. Nathan Tyler Watson, how you doing? Okay. Okay, let me see. Options, inputs, primary attack. Okay, I think I flipped them. Now the right button does my whacker. No. No. Okay. Input. Reset. Oh, yeah, because it was a block. Is there a run? Because I... Okay, interaction, special, view next, previous, switch perspective. Whatever. I'm taking this loot while I can, folks. F. Open the free loot, folks. What's up, Nathan Tyler Watson? How you doing, man? I'm playing this game. Let me go to the treasure box. Now this game is kind of like well, we did it now, folks. He sees me. Where is he? How come I can't hit him? Where's the other one? Where's your sister? Okay. Q. Oh, no, wait. Hey! Okay, guys. We just healed. We just killed some bats and we healed. There's no loot. Can we go in here? Let's give it a shot. I swear I hear footsteps. Okay, looks like there's a hole in the ground right there. Should we try and loot? Okay. Dude, that was another person. I felt like that was another person. Did you guys feel like that was a person? That was another person, guys. He's breaking everything. Like a good Souls player. Hey, Tim Rose, thank you for the share, man. This game is dark and darker, guys. That's a rogue. I fell into a hole. He was waiting for me. And that's the guy that just killed me. So, this is a PvP experience. I wonder if I've been killed by a a real person yet. But you could just take, yeah. This guy just killed me, man. Who puts a hole in the middle of the floor? Well, dude, you know the funny thing is I saw the hole and I'm like, I think that's a hole, and then I fell in it. I gotta itch my nose, guys. Okay. So maybe the trick is to like go in with a group and not be the healer, so I have no responsibilities. Phil Manuke, how you doing, man? Guys, this game dropped at 6 a.m. and I woke up at like 6:11. Randomly. I'm like, Eric Rosen was playing chess on my freaking big screen TV, folks. I just have YouTube playing all night long on freaking autopilot. And I woke up to the very calming Eric Rosen, international master playing chess. I'm like, what time is it? Because I was afraid it was going to be like 4:30 in the morning, and then I have to wait like an hour and a half. Then I go back to sleep and like sleep till 10, and miss the game. I mean, I don't know how long it's going to be live. But this is just a demo. This is a limited Oh, these guys. This is a PvP situation, folks. So what? Okay, so are they deciding not to attack each other? Did you see that? Those guys agreed not to attack each other. It's a cake with a hole in it. Right? Greg Filmanuk with 100 stars. Greg, thank you, man. Thank you for the support. So I woke up at 6. Oh, it's like, is that like the... Dude, that's a... Don't you play Elden Ring? Don't you know that you gotta punch that wall, bro? What's he doing? Oh, there was a secret chest right there. I think the play area has been restricted. I don't think he can go up there, guys. Can he jump? He's trying. Can he go into the light? I don't think he can go up there. Yeah, he was moving like a real person, but at first I didn't think he was. Yeah, and it's so funny because moving like a real person means it's really clunky anyway. Do you know what I'm saying? God. Options. Video. Rendering scale. Max frame limit. Screen brightness. Let's bring it up a little bit, guys. Let's see if it makes a difference. It might just make it look, no. Oh, man. Is that better for you guys? I should probably turn it all the way up. Yeah. Oh, man. This makes it for a totally different experience, guys. Visual brightness all the way. Just crank it, man. Return. Is that too bright? Restricting play area, folks. Oh, now he's in the poopy. He's running through the smoke. Okay, he's running through the smoke. And he's trying to get back into the restricted play area. Where is the... Oh, my God. We got goblins, folks. We got goblins. Where's the exfil? Where's the exfoliation? Look at that. Good move. I like that move, guys. This is a good move, too. Oh, he needs heals, guys. Does he have heals? He's very low on health. What's he waiting for? For it to restrict the play area even more so we could just die? Oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Does there have to be an exfil or is he just gonna die? Yeah, oh, man. Okay, good. He just drank something. He's drinking something, guys. Yeah, it's very, very slowly healing him. It's a very slow heal over time situation. I think he's running through the smoke, guys. Yeah, he's just like... He's dead. Now you are one with the darkness. It's better than saying you have died. Dave Joyce says, good afternoon, Charlie and Chillers. Okay. We turned the bright up. We also learned that the goblin caves are, I'm gonna be a Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl. Guys, I'm a Barbie girl, man. I want this map. And hopefully it will auto pair me with people. Can you guys hear me? Did you guys hear that? That was crazy. That was prox chat, bro. But I swear I said a key for push to talk. Now, I'm a Barbie girl. I'm a barbarian, guys. And so I shouldn't be responsible for still really dark. Oh my god, I'm in here alone. So I should have made a group, you're saying? Oh, you got to remember, they make the green poopy, guys. They make the green poopy. Okay. Oh, I hit it on the. Okay, come to Papa. Headshots are better, maybe. Right. Headshot. All right, guys. We successfully killed 2 poopers. This is a beta test for this game. It's kind of, yeah, it's like an early release demo phase. I don't believe it's actually like a beta test proper. If you guys don't know, over here on the floor, there's a stuff that, that's a trap. Okay. Well, let's go back to... Yes. I'm trying to kill him a little faster than last time. Got him. Oh, the poopies are real, guys. We might need to get... We got the high ground, though. We might need to get... Oh. The smoke is real, guys. We're dropping back down. Okay, okay, we can kite him. I'm going to check my loot after I kill this guy and see if I have, like, an apple or something I can eat. You guys know what I'm... You guys see what I'm doing with that, right? This looks cool. Glad you see you playing Brandon Davis. It does kind of look cool. I just... Yeah, look at that. Okay. Now, tab. Nothing. Okay. Let's look around. I don't know what the R does. What game is this? It's called Dark and Darker. We got a hatchet, folks. I keep doing that. Okay. Oh, I don't want to throw that. We got another zombie, folks. I walk with the zombie. Oh, that's the hatchet we just picked up. Yeah, I have to figure out, I guess you just can't take any damage at all. Never heard of it. Must be an old school game. Antoween, it's not. It's a new game. See? And now I can spectate these guys. And these, there's 2 guys here, guys. There's 2 guys. Somebody recommended me to try this game a few days ago, and I've been kind of keeping an eye on it. And I watched a little bit. I think I watched a video on YouTube about it. Read a little bit on Steam, and I'm like, 6 a.m. it drops today for this open demo kind of thing for free. Guys, I mean, let's face it. You gotta. It's like you know, it's almost like an indie game. It's not really, but you gotta like really dumb down your expectations. I mean the mechanics suck. It feels horrible. It looks good, and I like the idea. The idea is kind of like a DMZ or Escape from Tarkov. There's like actually an exfil location. It's PvP PvE also. I was in this dungeon and a rogue killed me a few minutes ago. I feel Is that game sound really loud? Compared to my voice, guys? I could maybe turn the audio down. Although I don't want to miss any footsteps. Total volume. Let me bring that down just a little bit. And so, you know, it's like, is this a new game jacket retailer? It is, but it's not released yet. It's just so bad and cheap that it appears, it looks like an old school game. You know what I mean? He's got a bad back. That's why the yell, says Brandon Davis. Yeah. Oh, this guy. See that? Oh my God. Okay. This guy's doing good. He hits and then he runs away. Did you guys ever see that movie? The fighting is slow. Yeah. Did you guys see that YouTube video? It's like 7,500 soldiers versus 1 million zombies. Anyone? I might not have the numbers right, but you know the one I'm talking about. There's like a whole bunch of soldiers with guns and they're holding a fort, like a keep, a big fort, but there's a couple holes in the walls and there's 1 million zombies. It's crazy. When you were chopping at the enemies, it was super slow. Yeah, it is. Never seen it. It's pretty crazy, that video I was talking about, man. It's pretty crazy because there's literally 1 million zombies. It was like some kind of simulator. You could put the number of zombies, they could put the number of soldiers, and the crazy thing about it, a dynamic I didn't expect would happen, because there's a couple of breaches in the wall, but they're choke points, and there's just soldiers going and they can like shoot through each other. The soldiers can, so they're just standing in the ground like 20 deep, just trying to keep the zombies back. The way the zombies got started to get what looked like might be an upper hand is the bodies piled up on the bodies, and the choke point filled up to where they could climb over on the walls and everything. You know what I'm saying? It's just a really weird video, man. I mean, it's one of those things. It's one of those train wreck things. You just you can't stop watching till it's over. I've watched an episode like that on Game of Thrones. It might have been patterned after that. Okay, now this guy's running through the smoke, folks. He's taking a little bit of damage. I like the smoke too. It's like there's bats flying around. It's like, you're not supposed to be here. This guy says it's not worth bringing my torch. Yeah, but buddy, I'm streaming it. Oh, he has bandages. Guys, he just bandaged. No way, I see the bandages. They're the number 4 button. He has bandages, guys. I could have used bandages too. It's getting hot in here, man. Okay. I guess. All right. I shut a heater off and I took a layer off, guys, because it's just too warm. I'll tell you this though, guys, and this guy's exfilling. That's your exfil right there, and you exfil with your loot, just like Tarkov or a DMZ. So whatever he looted, he keeps that loot. So you check your loadout before you go in, and you don't go in with anything you're not willing to lose. Yeah, Zachary, I slept, man. I went to sleep early last night, 11 o'clock or something, and I woke up like at 6. And the timing was amazing because I wanted to play this game. That guy got out too. So we were all in the same dungeon? Is that what's going on? Come on, wizard boy. Ooh, I can switch characters in the dungeon. That guy's got his exfil, man. He's exfoliating. That guy's got a red exfil. Why? Maybe did he just disable someone else's exfil? Oh boy, this wizard is freaking wants some PvP, man. We got some PvP action, folks. The wizard versus, is this a ranger? Yeah, wizard versus ranger. This wizard is shooting freaking fireballs, man. Is that a chest? I'd be wanting to loot that chest. Might have to kill the wizard first. Ooh. Yeah. He's not peeking you, bro. He is not peeking you. He just wants to get to that blue exfil, get out of there with his loot. See? Now, Ranger should go BAM and hit him with the fireball. Okay, so he opened up a portal to escape if he younts to. Oh, so you throw a torch down to light an area. That's a... Look at this. I think the wizard already bailed. He already bailed. This game is called Dark After Dark. Nope, he's still here. Is he going to take his portal out of here? No. There's poopies. He's taking his portal out of here, folks. That's the smoke right there, guys. They're like they're like little flying cockroach bugs. They're the poopy, if you will. Okay, so see, I can go to the gathering hall, US East, and I could be like, yo, invite. See, this game looks fun. Might move better when the real game comes out. I hope so, man. You know, I'll be perfectly honest, guys. It's like I've never been that freaking clunky indie guy that just can really appreciate the art of a crappy game. I've never been that guy. I know people that can appreciate stuff like games like this, but see, no one's inviting me, and allow party invites on. Okay, so my invites were off. Invite, let's go. I'm sure they can read me. The appearance of this game gives me OG Diablo vibes. The game looks fun. Might move. Oh yeah. You know, one thing about this game, I never really. I got used to it. It reminds me of because you say Diablo. It reminds me of New World. You know, where you got like. It seems weird to me to put my ret over something and hit it, or put my ret over something and hit it with a spell. That's weird to me, you know, because I'm so lazy and used to World of Warcraft. Like once the thing's targeted, you just rock and roll. Oh, I got an invite. Oh, okay. Well, now, guys, now we know. I am ready. Let's go. Okay. Now. We have to watch for an invite, guys. This thing, yeah, there we go. Okay. Okay, so now I have to come out of the gathering hall. And then we want to go to play. Now, do I have to ready up? How do I ready up? Ready. Okay, so we don't even have a healer. You can't target enemies. I don't think so. I think you have to aim at them. I don't know. I haven't played New World yet. Well, you're a little late to that party because that game I think that ship has sailed. They just updated it the other day, I think. Ready, up, and let's go. You can't target enemies. I don't know. Okay, someone left. Yeah, I just want to go hit stuff with my axe there, buddy. Oh, this guy's level 5. I readied up, bruh. We're just a couple of guys sitting around with our shirts off, folks. Nothing to see here. Good. We got a level 6 and a level 5. And me. I'm the newbie. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Okay. Oh my God. Oh, this is the. Okay. So see there. I can inspect a fool. They were hit. Oh, dude, look at that art. That looks cool, man. That's pretty cool. See, details like that are cool. They should have spent the time they spent making this art on making the gameplay less clunky. Humble opinion. Oh yeah, I gotta see if I have bandages too. It was number 4 for that guy. Come on, don't let me get stuck here. Oh, control. He's all looking back at me like, you coming or not, buddy? Oh, I gotta crouch. Come on. Oh my God, I gotta crouch here. Crouch, jump. Okay. Guys, don't be hating on me, guys. They're like, okay, he's new. So can you open them or not? That guy opened one. Oh, F. Okay. They're like, I think this guy's still trying to figure out how to open a coffin, bro. These guys got to be going nuts. They're all level 5, level 6. Okay. Let's see if we can get with our people. Okay. Good. Nothing here. Okay. These guys are level 5 and level 6, guys. I'm level noob. I do not need to lead the way, folks. Hey! That's the tag teaming I'm talking about, folks. If we can get an exfoliate out of here, that'd be awesome. I have yet to survive. So he threw a freaking. Get him, guys. I'm looting, guys. Ah! opening this thing, guys. I have no idea what's in here. Our poopy's gonna come out. They're like, why is he letting the zombies out of the cage? Okay, good. I'm taking everything, guys. Because I'm the new guy. Someone already looted that. Yeah, thanks a lot for sharing, guys. I'm just kidding. These guys are level 5 and level 6. I'm happy. They're guys, this is what we call the hard carry, folks. Why are they crouching? Why are they crouching? Oh, I got a healing potion, guys. 4. How do I use it? How do I freaking use it? I don't know how to use it, guys. What for? Oh! I drank a healing potion. Just finished Ghost of Tsushima, and wow, what a masterpiece. Don't know what it is. Love that you finished it, though. That guy just popped a shield. Oh my god. Oh god. I'm gonna die. Do we run from the chest? Looks like they're running. Okay, I think we... Tab. I don't think I have any healing... Oh my god, the poopies are coming at me. I'm new! Dude. 4. Oh my god, don't tell me he's got healing potions for me. These guys brought their own healing potions. I got a bad feeling. Hey, Charlie, have to head out. Have a good one, brother. Have fun with this new game. It's interesting, man. I'll tell you that. Okay, that's stuff for a required class for a Wizard. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? They're going back. Why? I hear footsteps. Am I gonna die? So, what's up, guys? I'm gonna die, so that'll be bad. One of you guys want to drop me another health pot, that'd be great. Dude, is this PvP? I'm gonna die. They're gonna target the level 1, guys. I don't know what to take, man. They killed me. I wonder if I got a level out of that. Have a great day at work, man. That's one cool thing about streaming at a different time of the day, folks, is you get to see different people in different stages of their life. You know? This game is called Dark and Darker. This is like a test. A demo day for this game. They prepared a couple of dungeons. And it's on Steam, and I don't know how long. It's just kind of some kind of Steam festival thing going on, like to test games and stuff. Something going on Steam right now. I think if you want to check it out, check it out. But this game is on Steam right now. Like I said, it's clunky, man. It's so weird. The difference between a game like this. I mean, would this be considered an indie game, guys? I mean, it's so clunky. Or it's just not done yet. Maybe the game's just not done yet, guys. You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know. It is fun, though. I mean, I was enjoying the exploring aspect of it, the dungeons and stuff. The dungeons kind of look all the same a little bit, but not really. It didn't seem like there's a lot of places to get lost. It seems like you kind of what they call that, linear, right? You kind of start walking, and before you know it, you're in the action, and before you know it, you're probably getting close to the end of the dungeon. If you don't die like this guy right here. This guy wants to exfoliate, man. He wants to exfoliate. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, he's got to... Thought he had to light that... Now, how do you run? And that's not one. He wants one of those things, but it's got to be blue. Now he's looking for... Dude, there's a freaking zombie thing right there. A nasty looking zombie with blue eyes. A freaking blue-eyed zombie, man. Are those... Oh, God. He's running over here where we killed... How you say where we killed? Where they killed that PvP guy. He's got no exfoliation, folks. All right, we didn't go in. We didn't ever check this room, though. Oh, my God. Tell me. Come on, give it. That's it. Is that not it? He has to run and click on that blue thing, no? What's he doing? He tried a bandage first. Is he not going to make it? He's not going to make it. Nope. He's not going to make it. Oh, I was rooting for him. Good morning, Charlie. How's it going? Dude, this game, Dark After Dark, and it's pretty cool. Coda Rio says, oh, hell yeah, brother. It's pretty cool, but, yeah, I need to, like, leave. How do I leave the party, man? Escape. Escape. I don't know. But, guys, I think I had enough of this, man. We checked it out. Dark After Dark, guys. I played a new game. It was fun. Thank you for being here. If you're new to the stream, you can like, comment, follow, subscribe. All that good stuff. There's the cool buttons, man. I stream chess every day, Monday through Thursday at 3 p.m. And other games too. Warzone. Sometimes I play World of Warcraft. I played New World. It's dead. Play Elden Ring. I've been playing Elden Ring pretty much every night. I'm on like my 13th playthrough ish, and 800 hours in that freaking game. This was cute to check out, man. I'm a noob. It was fun. Love you guys. Thanks for being here.